This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather and Atwood, along with America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, looks like another pleasant day on tap, then kind of rain and snow, a little bit of everything, depending on where you're at later on this week.
Yeah, Joe, we got a temperature today that's going to be forecasted in the lower 70s. So that's going to be 3 really nice days in a row and starting to get us the spring fever going. However, that's going to be short-lived as we got a lee-side low pressure that's developing out over southeast Colorado today. As the bigger trough starts working over the mountains, pointing that low through here during the day tomorrow and into Thursday morning, where it'll track across Kansas and to Omaha. What that's going to do is going to bring snow out to our west in Colorado. There are watches and advisories up in the mountains already. It looks like that precipitation will develop tonight through the day tomorrow and continue tomorrow night. This low is going to move pretty slowly across Kansas. It will allow it to pull moisture in and wrap up. So we got the potential for snow out there to the west. It looks like you get on the Kansas-Colorado border, Burlington area, you can pick up an inch or two, but as you go down 36 and I-70, there in Kit Carson and Yuma counties, they'll increase upwards to 5 inches. Once you get on that Highway 59 or in that Flagler Last Chance area, 79, and then as you move into Denver, you could see anywhere from 10 inches upwards to a foot or more as you get into the foothills. So that's going to be the activity to the west. To our east, as that low pressure swings across the state, we're going to have a dry line and warm front tomorrow afternoon on the I-35 corridor and I-70 from Salina to Kansas City. There will be a severe weather threat on that side of the state with the potential for large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes. For us here right in the middle of that, as you can expect, rain showers to develop during the overnight, continue off and on through the day tomorrow. Maybe wrap in a little snow mix, rain there Thursday night before it moves off to the north and east. But the heavier potential there would again be in that North Platte, northeast Colorado, up there in Nebraska to our north, and we'll probably stay in the form of rain. It looks like temperatures will top out tomorrow around 58. Those winds will switch around to the north. Lows will drop to 32. Looking at only lower 40s there on Friday, middle 40s maybe. It depends if we have any breaks in the clouds as that storm system moves away. And the rain accumulation, which we'll like to hear, we could pick up anywhere from 1/4 to 3/4 inch of precipitation. Should be in the form of rain for northwest Kansas. As we head to the weekend, series of disturbances will kick off from that cutoff low out in the Great Basin. They look like they'll track through Oklahoma and Texas, so that activity will stay to our south, maybe pick up some more snow, Colorado Springs, the southern mountains there in Colorado, New Mexico. So they could get another foot of snow. Showers and storms will stay in Oklahoma, Texas, and will be seasonal behind that. We'll see temperatures rebound back into the 50s on Saturday, back into the 40s on Sunday at the backdoor cold front with breezy north winds, again back up into the 50s and maybe even 60s as we go Monday, Tuesday, and heading towards the 70s again on Wednesday.
Once again, that's Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather in Atwood, along with America's Weather Streaming Channel. Joining us here on 106.1, I'm Joe Vazurek.